How to add cursor effects in Camtasia Studio 2022. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So what you need to do right now is to head over to media, import your video, and then what you need to do to add cursor effects, you need to go to more. Tab on more, probably do not see here cursor effects, just tab on more and now go to cursor effects right here. And now here we have different effects that we can use in our videos maybe. So it is pretty useful effects, guys. So it's very easy. Now you have this cursor highlight. This is the most common one I use sometimes. And if you want to add this effect to your video, here you can see the arrow here moving. So if I want to add an effect, you just need to grab this video and put it here onto this video. Just grab this effect, grab this effect, probably it's called, it's effect, effect, and drag it onto this video. And now as you can see, we have here in video visual properties, we have a new effect we just added right now, and you can increase this. You can increase the video. So let me increase so you can see. So now we have this effect right here. And if you tab on the video and then you tab on this arrow, show effects here, and now you double tap on this effect, here you have here you can change the settings. Like you can increase this highlight, you can decrease the opacity, the softness, and now when I move my mouse, the highlight is moving as well. You also have magnify. Just grab it and put it right here. Drag it to your video, and now we have another effect. This is the video and this is the effects we have added, and you can increase the magnifier. As you can see, it's pretty cool and pretty useful, I guess. Here, zoom. Okay, and so that's how you add the effect. You can also add a sound. So when you left click a sound, you'll hear a sound. Okay, mouse click, laptop click, mouse click, and the volume, when you click on your mouse, can increase or decrease the volume. And you also have right click. Okay, you also have this effect. So when you click, you'll see this effect or this one. So that's how you had cursor effects in Camtasia Studio 2022. I hope this video helped you. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.